Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with William, the place where learning English is easy and fun. I'm William.
Hello, William, and hello to all our lovely listeners. It feels so good to be here with you again today.
It's great to see you, Sarah. How are you doing?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. I had a nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great too, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Oh, yes. It's something that many English learners talk about. It's a big feeling.
A big feeling? Now I'm curious. What is it?
Today we're talking about this common problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Ah, yes, Sarah, that's the number one problem. I hear this from so many learners.
Me too. They often say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain stops.
Yes, the words just disappear.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to share some strong and simple tips to help you unlock your English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is such an important episode.
It really is. But before we start, we have a small friendly request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us, please take one quick second to give this episode a like. A big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow and helps more learners find us.
And please click that subscribe button for Learning English with William, so you never miss our new lessons. Thank you all so much. Your support means everything.
Okay, William, let's start. My voice feels locked. How do I find the key?
The first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand English. Isn't that enough?
Understanding is great. It's step one. But you need to move from passive listening to active listening.
Passive and active? What do those mean?
Passive listening is when English plays in the background. Maybe when you're driving or cleaning. You understand, but you're not really focused.
Ah, yes, I do that a lot.
Active listening means you listen and repeat.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and then I say it again?
Exactly. There's a great method called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or a short video and repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time? Wow, that sounds hard.
It can be at first, so start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, and then repeat it.
Listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
Yes. And later, try to speak along with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. So I'm not just hearing English, I'm making English. I'm practicing the sound and rhythm of the language.
Exactly, Sarah. You said it perfectly. The music of the language. It trains your ears and your mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. Active listening and shadowing. I like it. What's next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode? What's that? Like a secret superhero?
Yes, exactly. It's a special time in your day when you think and speak only in English.
Only in English? That's hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. Just narrate your day.
Narrate? You mean say what I'm doing?
Yes. For example, when you're in the kitchen, say, I'm making coffee now. I need a cup. Where's the milk? Oh, here it is.
Oh, I can do that. Like now, I'm sitting in a studio talking to William, and I'm happy.
Perfect. See? It feels funny at first, but it's powerful
Why is it powerful?
because it makes your brain find words. You're not just understanding, you're producing the language.
Ah, so my brain has to work to find words, just like in real life.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 to 10 minutes every day. That's your English mode.
Okay, I'll try. So I'm shadowing and talking to myself. But William, what if I forget some words?
Great question. That brings us to tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No. I mean, stop memorizing long word lists like cat, dog, book, house. That doesn't help much when speaking.
So, what should I learn then?
Learn chunks.
Chunks? Like chunks of cake?
I like cake too. But no, language chunks are groups of words you often hear together.
Oh, like phrases?
Yes. For example, instead of just learning point, learn the whole phrase. That's a good point.
That's a good point. Oh, that sounds natural.
Or instead of just learning mean, learn, you know what I mean?
Oh, these are like ready-to-use tools. I don't have to build sentences.
Exactly. You don't think about grammar. You just use the chunk. It makes you sound natural and gives your brain time to think.
So, chunks are shortcuts for fluency. I love that.
Yes. Now, the next tip is maybe the most important.
I'm ready.
You must speak every single day.
Every day. Oh, William, I'm busy. I have work, I'm tired, no time.
It doesn't have to be an hour. Even 5 or 10 minutes every day is great.
So 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week?
Exactly. Speaking English is like playing piano or football. You need regular practice.
It keeps my English muscles strong.
Yes. But now, you might ask, who can I talk to?
Right. I'm shy and I don't live in an English-speaking country.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone, but it doesn't answer me.
Use the voice recorder app. Record yourself speaking.
Oh no, I hate my voice. I'll sound terrible.
No. Your accent is not bad. It's part of you. This is a great tool. Just record simple things like, what did I do today?
For example, today I woke up, went to work, and ate a sandwich for lunch.
Perfect. Then listen to it. Notice what sounds good and what you can improve.
So, I become my own teacher.
Exactly. And there's no pressure. No one is watching. It's just you and your phone.
Okay, I'll try it. It sounds scary, but I understand why it's helpful.
It really is. And another fun way to practice is role playing.
Like acting in a movie?
Yes. Imagine a situation. You're at a restaurant, airport, or job interview. Play both parts.
I talk to the wall?
Yes, or your cat. For example, hello, what would you like to order? I'd like a pizza, please. And to drink? Water, please.
That's fun.
It is. And it trains your brain to think fast in English so you don't freeze in real life.
Ah, freezing. Yes, that's my problem. This will help me react faster.
Exactly. But now, let's face the biggest monster, the fear of mistakes.
Oh, yes, that's a big one. I'm afraid of speaking wrong or sounding silly.
Everyone feels that way, Sarah. But here's a secret. Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No way.
Yes, mistakes mean you're trying. They show you're brave.
Wow, I never thought of it that way. Mistakes mean I'm brave.
Yes, fluency comes after mistakes, not before.
So, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. If the other person understands you, you win.
That takes away so much pressure. I'll try to be brave and make friends with my mistakes.
Good. And here's our final tip. Practice responding.
Responding? You mean answering?
Yes. A conversation is two-way. Listen, speak, listen, speak.
That's the fast part.
Yes, so practice it. You can chat with AI or talk with a friend. Train your brain to reply, not just listen.
So listening is passive, but replying is active.
Exactly. Active listening, active thinking, active replying. That's the full plan.
Wow, William, these tips are amazing. I feel ready to speak.
You can do it, Sarah. Let's quickly review.
Okay, Tip 1, practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. Tip 2, create your English mode. Talk to yourself. Tip 3, learn chunks, groups of words, not single ones. Tip 4, speak every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Tip 5, record your voice. Be brave and listen. Tip 6, role play situations. Tip 7, make friends with your mistakes. Focus on communication, not perfection. Tip 8, practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
That's a great plan. Thank you so much, Sarah.
Thank you, William, and thank you to everyone listening. We hope these tips help you unlock your English voice.
Yes. Remember, understanding is great, but your voice connects you to people. Speak every day, even if it's not perfect. That's how fluency starts.
So true. Well, that's all for today's episode.
Yes. And before you go, please subscribe to Learning English with William, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And we have a question for you. Which tip will you try first? Shadowing? Talking to yourself? Recording your voice?
Let us know in the comments. We love reading your answers.
We really do. Thank you for joining us.
Until next time, everyone, keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next episode.